everyone, I am Jennifer Rajkumar, Certified Deco Clay Instructor since 2008. Today I am going to talk about the basic details about this deco clay. Let's move on to the first question. Where is this deco clay from? This deco clay is originated by Mrs. Kazuko Miyai in 1981 in Japan. And what is this deco clay? This deco clay is an air dry clay. So here baking is not at all necessary and we don't use cutters at all. All the petals are finely shaped by the fingers and then it clubbed together to form a nice flowers. And the next question is, can we mix up any acrylic colors or water or acrylic oil colors with this white clay to get the plenty of shades? As this deco clay has a very good moisture, if you keep on adding the liquid colors, it will become more soggy where you will end up finding difficult to make the fine petals. So please try avoid mixing the colors with this white clay. We have white and 6 different colors here. So with white clay, you can add any of the colors to get a plenty of shades. Here I will show you how to mix the red and the white to get a pink shade. So just take like this and then mix it. No need of any medium to mix this clay. So just mix it, it will be very fine. So you got a pink shade. What happens when you work with this clay? With our body temperature, slowly the moisture will evaporate. In that case, if it becomes little harder, that time you use 1 or 2 drops of water, it will be soft and fresh again. While working with this clay, you can just wrap it with a well-damp cloth, it will be good. And how long will this clay stay fresh? In India, the unopened packet will stay for 1 to 1.5 years. It should be soft. In case after that, if it becomes little harder, you cover it with a well-damp cloth for full 1 day and it will be soft again. So please don't ever try to throw this deco clay packs at all. The opened packs, it should be sealed nicely by sealing like this and then put the cello tape. Or you can spray some water and then seal it nicely. The key point is air should not go inside. That is the main point. Okay. And the other question is, do we have to refrigerate this clay? It's not at all necessary to refrigerate this. With the normal room temperature, this is very fine. Okay. And is the deco products are heavy and fragile? The deco clay products are very lightweighted and it's not fragile at all. As this is lightweighted, you can make plenty of creation out of it. The bridal bouquets are very lightweighted to carry. And how much time these flowers will take to dry? Depending on the volume of the flower, the time varies. In case if it's a very tiny flower, it will take maximum 1 hour of time to dry completely. If it's a bigger flower like this, then it will take full day to dry completely. Once the flower dries completely, you can form it into any other formation. For instance, you can do the wedding bouquets or flower arrangement or any sort of a thing you can do once the flower dries completely. And the final and the last question is, what sort of a glue we can use to stick these deco flowers? You can use Fevicol in India. This is the brand, we use it for most of the craft. So you can use Fevicol to stick this deco clay flowers on your desired surface. Hope this will help you out. If you have any doubts, please leave it below. I will try to answer it as early as possible. And subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.